Hey everybody, it's Mike Broadhurst. It's Market Mondays. Today's June 22nd. Still a vibrant market. Let's take a look at the numbers. New inventory this week. 43 new properties came to the market. That compares to 52 last week and 42 last year. Year to date, we have 916 new properties on the market compared to 1,178 last year. That's a 22% decline in new inventory. This week we had 27 sales compared to last week's 14, but way down from last year's 50 during the same time period. That's a decline of 46% in sales. Year to date, we have 645 sales compared to 771 sales, and that's a decline of 16%. Our under contract activity continues to trend up since the lifting of the restrictions for COVID. We had 48 properties come under contract this week compared to 49 last week, up from 42 this same time last year. That means we have a 14% increase in under contract activity. We're looking at year to date, 810 properties have gone under contract compared to 878 at this time last year, and that's an 8% decline. So let's take a look at average sales prices. As we've said in the past, these numbers bounce around quite a bit because we're just taking a small picture at a weekly average. But this week, average sales price, about $740,000. Last week, $487,000 compared to last year's $342,000. $450,000 year-to-date average sales price compared to $393,000 last year, and that's a 14% increase in values. Similarly to the average sales prices, the cumulative days on market bounce around quite a bit. This week, our average cumulative days on market, 127 days. That compares to last week's 144 days and last year during that same week, 86. Year to date, however, we are at 108 days on the market compared to 116 last year, and that's a decline of days on market of about 7%. We're seeing the same thing week over week since the lifting of the restrictions. Properties are in high demand. In many cases, there are multiple offers on the same property, and the values just continue to trend up. See you again next week for Market Mondays. I'm Mike Broadhurst, 843-837-7773. Thanks, everybody.